So imagine you're selling a product on Amazon, but you're not doing so well. In this video, I'm going to show you this quick hack where you can utilize Helium 10 and in particular Cerebro, where you can find out your competitors, what keywords they're ranking for, so that you know which keywords you need to be adding to your listing. This is my mission for this video. Watch me complete it. Let's get going. So I'm inspired and in the mood of exercising, hence why I'm showing you this product. So let's say you're selling dumbbells. This product, as an example, is selling more than 100 units every single month, or for the past month as of me filming this video. You'll notice Helium 10 says it's actually selling 169, so we can see a little bit more accuracy. Here it's saying 100 plus on Amazon. I'm filming this video during the 11/11 deals. That's why the product has an 11/11 discount on it. However, let's say you're selling something very similar to this product. However, this product is the best seller or is performing much better than you, and you don't know why. You want to figure out what keywords this product is ranking for and what keywords this seller is focusing on, so that you can imitate and try to get some sales from the seller, like steal some sales from your competition. The first thing that you need to do is to find the ASIN number. If you're utilizing Helium 10 and you have Helium 10 in your Chrome drop-down extension, you'll be able to find it right here because Helium 10 adds it for you, and then you can copy it. If not, you can scroll down to the bottom or middle of the page. Let me show you where. Right here under additional information, and you can find it and copy it. For those of you that don't know, Helium 10 is actually a seller tool which helps you really figure out a few things that you cannot figure out on your own, which in this case we're going to be saying keywords. If you want to subscribe to Helium 10 and if you want a great discount, you'll find our exclusive discount for Amazon Sellers Society and you, our lovely viewers. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video. You can get up to 20% discount on your membership. Then we move on to Helium 10, and in particular to a tool inside of Helium 10 called Cerebro. You'll find this tool under keyword research, and it's a reverse product lookup. This is better known as a reverse ASIN tool, which basically means I've added the ASIN right here and I just clicked on get keywords, and I just want Helium 10 to tell me which keywords this product, which hypothetically speaking is your competitor, is getting most hits or sales via these keywords. As you can see, I get a bunch of keywords with a lot of data and information. My suggestion is for you to do the following. Go and find out search volume and click on search volume so that we can get the highest to lowest. So I've clicked here, I'm getting the highest search volume to the lowest search volume for each keyword. If you're not familiar with what search volume means, it's honestly probably the most important data metric for you to focus on when you are selling on Amazon. Because the concept is, if you're selling a product that has a keyword that has a high search volume, it basically means the product has a lot of demand. And this is what is going to get you more sales. If a product doesn't have demand, how are you going to sell units to customers if only, as an example, 10 people are searching for this product per month, but your focus is to sell 100 units? So as you can see here, we're looking at the keyword phrase, we're looking at a lot of data points, but for this video, I'm just going to focus on a few. Number one, we're looking at the search volume. So of course, I want to select keywords that have really good search volume because it means they are very much in demand. The second thing that I'm looking at, if we move right here, we're looking at the Amazon recommended rank. Basically, this product, which is my competitor, my hypothetical competitor, where does Amazon recommend it in the ranking? 41. What is the sponsored rank? 26. What is the organic rank, which is also extremely important? 2. So if I look at the organic rank being the most important factor, organic rank and sponsored rank, as well as search volume, these are the keywords where sellers normally get sales. If my product is ranked 100 on a particular keyword, and for example, I'm not advertising for it, very rarely am I going to get any sales on that keyword because there's simply no visibility. So if you can see here as an example, this keyword, which is dumbbell set, this product that I'm trying to say is the direct competitor, is ranked number 2 organically and sponsored number 26, so it's showing 2 times on the main page. Same thing for dumbbell alone, ranking number 1 and number 9 as a sponsored product. So these would be 2 keywords that are very important for me to target, either organically, of course, ideally organically, or through an ad. This keyword, gym, with 121 on the organic rank, no sponsored ads, no recommendation, is definitely, even though it has a search volume of 441, which is very much acceptable, but this is not a keyword that this seller is focusing on, nor are they getting any sales because the product is not even showing up on the first page. So this is not something that you should be focusing on as well if this was your main competitor. Weights. Keyword organic ranking 2, sponsored rank 21, recommended rank 41. Still an interesting keyword with only 164 search volume. Let me know in the comments before I answer if you think this would be a good keyword for you to add if you were the seller into your listing or even to focus on. My answer, so let me know yes or no. My answer would be certainly yes, because this is a keyword that potentially doesn't have a lot of search volume, doesn't have a lot of competition, but might be a keyword that can get you a few sales without having to spend a lot of money on ads. So this is it. This is how you do this assessment and analysis, and you go through the keywords. Very basically, if you find this very confusing and difficult, all you need to do is to just identify your main competitors right now, add them into Cerebro using the ASIN, and just look at the keywords where they are ranking organically for and they are ranking on the first page using ads. Those are the main keywords. Of course, make sure that the keywords have high search volume. Those are the main keywords that you need to also be ranking for and focusing on. So if they are not indexed into your listing, add them into your title, add them into your bullet points, add them into your product description, add them into your backend, and add them into your advertising. That's it for this quick video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.